Welcome back to Chartbusters. Well, big IPOs are all set to hit D Street. Market regulator SEBI has cleared food delivery and quick commerce player Swiggy's confidential IPO filing, and auto major Hyundai could also be set to list by Diwali in what could be India's biggest ever IPO. Vinnii is here with more details.
Good morning. So yes, we're watching out for two IPOs this time, and Hyundai Motor, that's the first one. SEBI has given a green light for that one. Planning to raise around $3 billion in the IPO, and this is the second largest passenger vehicle OEM in India after Maruti Suzuki. They hold around 14.6% market share in the domestic market, and obviously in terms of exports also, they are the second largest in terms of the PV players in India. When you're looking at it in terms of the pricing and margins also versus peers, 9-month FY24 margins, when we're comparing them, it's much better than peers like Maruti Suzuki, Tata Motors, M&M, the auto segment of that. So yes, clearly an interesting one to watch out for. In this, the parent company, that's HMC, that's Hyundai Motor Corporation, will be selling 17.5% stake via OFS, as that is what we are picking up. Other than that, Swiggy also is yet set to got a green light for its IPO. That find a confidential draft for the IPO, and now they've gotten an approval for that. The price of the IPO, $1.25 billion is the IPO size. In that, $450 million is fresh issue, while OFS is expected to be at $100 million, and likely sellers in the OFS is expected to be SoftBank as well as Persys, who's holding 33% stake. There are a lot of key investors in this as well, and a lot of interest here, so keeping an eye out on that, because the company in FY24 had managed to reduce their losses almost by 50% versus the last year, as well as revenue had seen an increase as well.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Vinnii. Well, let's shift focus then to our special segment.